Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IQ option strategy special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel, okay? And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next clip, okay? And if you not join best buy option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading, okay? And as you can see, I have win this trade. I have profit almost $3, okay? Is a very good strategy, is a breakout strategy, 100% strategy working, okay? So let's start trading with this strategy, okay? On IQ option. This is my Quotex account. I have personally trade on Quotex, okay? Let's see. And what is this strategy? Strategy is my indicator strategy. This is my indicator. I can show my indicator, and here is the indicator, okay? Very good indicator, 100% non-repeat indicator. And let's see, okay guys, here is indicator signal by down and market going down, okay? And I have placed down trade for $1. Oh man, shit, very late, okay. I have placed $1 trade for down because market going down, okay? And indicator signal by down, and this is a engulfing pattern, okay? If you have some binary trading knowledge, you can see this is a engulfing pattern, okay? And market going down, okay? 3 2 1 and boom. This strategy is 100% working. As you can see, I have won this trade, okay? And if you have great some trading knowledge, and if you have very good perfect indicator, you can trade on binary and 100% win, okay? 100% not, is 90% win, okay? Some I have lose. Here is a market indicator signal by down and market going down, very good indicator. And this is a forex indicator. I have choose higher time frame for forex, okay? And here is a market signal by up and market going up, okay? Very good indicator, okay? Very good confirmation indicator, okay? And market going down, as you can see, okay? And if you buy this indicator, send me message on my Telegram channel, okay? This is a 100% paid indicator. This is not free indicator. Free indicator already available my channel, okay? Okay, I have placed one more trade for 1 minute, okay? Let's see the result. Oh, this is a late entry. I have placed here. I have easily win this trade, okay? Let's see, man. If I have placed it here and I have win this trade 100%, okay? But let's see, okay? Let's see, okay? Market going up, and market going up, okay? Here is a level, here is a pattern, is pattern. Okay, let's see. Oh, market going up, market going down, but I have placed late entry big, and I have lose trade because I have late entry. If I place a trade here, and I have win 100%. Okay, 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 let's see another situation. Okay, use the GPI, market going up. Okay, oh man. Okay, I have placed trade, one more trade. Okay, here is a good buyers here. Okay, I have placed $2 trade, but some rejection is here. No problem, I have placed it. Okay, okay, but late entry here is not a very good entry, but let's see the result. Okay, okay, okay. Oh man, rejection here, and market reject here's point. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, but okay, 30-second left. Okay, market going up. Okay, I have covered my loss. Okay, okay, 80-second, 70-second, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Oh man, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, 100% wins. 100% win. Okay, and indicator signal by up and market going up. Okay, and if you like this strategy, please subscribe my channel for next strategy. Okay, thank you watching for this video.